Hello! One of the most popular question types on the oodlü platform is the sequencing question type. So I'm going to just give you a quick overview of how that works and the different options that you have available to you as a teacher, so that you can best use that for your students. So I've just created an empty question collection here, and you do that just by going to Content and Games and clicking Create Question Collection. As you can see, it's got nothing in it right now. So I'm going to click on Create Question, and you'll see the list of the different question types that are supported by the oodlü platform comes up. We currently support 9 question types, but we're going to be adding a number of different question types to this in time. So this is a work in progress. We've only just launched. So there we go. And if we go to sequencing, that's this one just second from the bottom here, and click on Create, we come up with our sequencing interface. And you'll notice that it's broken down into 2 parts. You've got the question and then the sequencing bits, and then you've got the question feedback. And I'd recommend that you watch the multiple choice question creation section or video tutorial on this, because it deals a little bit with the different types of feedback that are available, how they work when you're setting informative mode versus summative mode, and also it deals a little bit with the question delivery and how oodlü deals with or how oodlü delivers questions to your students dynamically. So, but anyway, we're just going to deal with the sequencing in this. So you've got 2 parts to this question entry. You've got the question and then the actual sequencing answers that the students would interface with, would work with. So I'm going to just put these in sequence. That's just going to be the text that I'm going to use. Obviously, just type whatever you want into there, and we could put into the items here. I'm just going to type 1, 2, 3, 4 in here because I think I'm just trying to demonstrate this. Okay, this isn't a real question. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 as text items, but you've also got the option of using image sequencing, and I'll show you that in a second as well. So I've just created 4 text items, 1, 2, 3, 4, but you would type in actual question data in here, something useful to your students, and you click on Save. That's it. It's saved that now, and so now that question is ready, and I can preview it, and there we go. You've now got to put these items in sequence, and they have to 1, 2, 3, 4. They have to do that. Okay. So that's how that works in text mode. And if I just create another one now, create another sequencing one, and if this time instead of using that, I'm going to say put them in sequence again, but this time I'm just going to click on image sequencing. Okay, so this is where you can sequence images instead of text. Obviously, you can't currently mix them up. We may add the ability to mix them up, so you've got some text and some image sequencing. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how that goes. But let's do image sequencing now. So click on image. And then we can select from our images on our hard drive. So so here I've got a number of test images. I click on Open there, and if we want to, we can crop these down a bit. So let's just do that for that one. So 0, and then I'm going to do a 1 here. I won't bother cropping this one. I'll just do it as it is, and then say a 2. And I won't actually do any more than that. I'll just do those 3, because you only need to have 2 or more in here to make the sequencing question type work. So if I click on Save there, that'll upload and check the content for appropriate content. There, it's done that, and then we click on Preview, and now you can see that here we go. We've got our sequencing here, and we need to sequence these. I've got that wrong, of course. You would sequence these into the correct spaces within the question as well. This works on mobile and on desktop. Anyway, hopefully that's useful, and we look forward to hearing how you get on. Thanks very much.